कोई बात नहीं यार.
आ जाएंगे. Could I please, with all gratitude, invite on stage none other than Salman Khan. Salman, please join us on stage. Salman, thank you so much for being here today. As you know, it's a magnetic and a magnificent launch for 2.0, and we have the great Rajni sir in the house, and we're so happy and humble that you're here today. How does it feel to meet the man himself every time and again?
I've just come to see him. I think he's the most amazing man that I've known, and I have a lot of respect for him. I wasn't invited. I got to know that his launch was here. So I just turned up. Aki, I think he's one of the most talented actors that we have, and I've worked with him. He's phenomenal. I think that if there's anyone who's had a growth in his acting career as a performer from our side, is only Akshay Kumar. We've all remained stagnant. He's the only one that keeps on growing and growing and growing. I think Aki is one of the most hardworking, dedicated actors that we have. Rajni Garu to bol jo ab kya bole. I don't know if Rajni Garu remembers this one incident when we were doing a show together. I think it was Jumma Chumma. So I went to the bathroom and I see Rajni Garu throwing cigarettes like this. So in the bathroom, so I said, Garu, what are you doing? He said, sir, a lot of wind outside. I looked, that cigarette in the mouth. So open like air concert we are having. It was in some, I think, Wembley Arena or something. It was windy, it was cold. So I said that, no, he's doing this here, let me see. And lots of cigarettes lying here. Yeah. So I went backstage to see if he gets it right. One shot, he threw a cigarette here, it came straight in his mouth. I thought that was phenomenal. I'm very happy to be here. And I just saw the teaser, and I think it's fabulous. Large, Shankar makes like the largest films, and why don't you do it? Thank you.
Thank you, Salman. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it would be a gross injustice, actually, Salman, if you don't allow us all to photograph you with the amazing crew of 2.0. Thank you, Salman. Thank you so much for really gracing our platform. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming, for all your love and humility. And please, I'd like the team members to be on stage. Some Q&A. I'd like, we're going to open some questions to the house in a bit, and a few questions from our prolific members of the media. Shankar sir. Thank you. Rajni sir, we're just going to take some questions from the media. Thank you, Salman. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, you can sit. Unless you want to. Yes, please, sir. Akshay, come here. Wait, just some media. There are 2-3 questions we will take from the media they want. And then please have a seat. Come. Thank you. Come, Rahman sir. We're going to take a few questions from the house, ladies and gentlemen, specifically about 2.0 and hopefully about nothing else. So, any questions for these wonderful gentlemen on stage?
Hi Shankar.
हाय अक्षय सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. दिस इज आलोक. आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं, देख नहीं पाएंगे शायद.
हाँ सर.
सर मेरा नाम आलोक है.
हाँ जी, आप कहाँ हैं?
सर मैं मतलब कैमरे के पीछे हूँ तो दिख नहीं पाऊंगा आपको.
अच्छा बोल, पूछिए.
सर सवाल ये है कि रजनी सर को सभी सुपरस्टार मानते हैं और इस सुपरस्टार के साथ आपने काम किया है, तो आपने ऐसी क्या खूबियाँ देखी रजनी सर के भीतर एक सुपरस्टार की?
सर मेरे हिसाब से रजनी साहब सुपरस्टार नहीं हैं. मेरे हिसाब से रजनी साहब पूरे गैलेक्सी हैं. मैं इनका बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. और इफ़ एनीबडी हु इज़ गॉट इन दिस इंडस्ट्री स्वैग, एंड दैट इज़ ऑलवेज बीन हिम. हाउ टू वेयर द ग्लासेस, चाहे वो सिगरेट हो, चाहे वो कोट पहनना हो, चाहे वो कोट उड़ाना हो, हर किस्म की चीज़ें. मतलब ऐसा कोई भी नौजवान नहीं है जो इनके तौर तरीके सीखना नहीं चाहता, बताना नहीं चाहता. और एक कमाल का मुझे किस्सा याद है. मुझे एक याद है कि इनकी एक फ़िल्म रिलीज़ हुई थी. फिल्म का नाम था बाबा, और वो फिल्म थोड़ी चली नहीं थी. और मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैंने पढ़ा था कि इन्होंने सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरों को बुला के उनके पैसे वापस किए. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट साइन of being a big, very big superstar. I can never forget that. I have kept always in my head. So, thank you.
रजनी सर कोई ईद पे आता है, कोई दिवाली पे आता है, कोई क्रिसमस पे आता है, लेकिन पिछले दिनों एक खबर आई थी कि आपकी फिल्म जब रिलीज होती है तो उस दिन त्योहार बन जाता है. इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कैसे लेते हैं रजनी सर?
The day you come, sir, it becomes a festival on its own. It doesn't matter whether it's Eid or Diwali.
By God's grace, my fans, they make great. Thank you.
Shankar sir, over here straight. Next year there are many big films releasing, but two of the most awaited films are Robot 2 and Bahubali 2, and both belong to the South industry. So how does it feel that two films from that industry are taking India to the global level?
Yeah, I am eagerly waiting to see Bahubali 2. And for audience, they need more films, more than Bahubali 2, more than 2.0. Like every month, if they get this kind of film, it will be a celebration for the audience.
And so, the Bahubali was distributed in Hindi by Karan Johar. So who has come on board to distribute Robot, the Hindi version of Robot? Is it?
Yeah, that's we have to ask the producer, no, to whom, with whom he had. Is going
I've
to have a
reached this
tie-up.
stage for a reason, na? That is stage 1. My 2.0 will be that if I manage to again present the film in Hindi. That is my 2.0 version.
Good evening, everybody. My question here is to Rajni sir. Sir, modlo solno trailer rombave super. Ninga, whenever you play a villainous role, we all love you because when you're good, you're very good, but when you're bad, you're better. Do you like playing Chitti too? Do you have fun doing that?
Actually, in this picture, I'm villain only. But always, actually, I would like to do a villain characters. And in this picture, you will see that, the real villain. Thank you.
Sir, the action in this film looks spectacular. Did you have fun doing it? Was it difficult? How was the experience of doing it?
No, difficult hours, actually, I told you, he's a difficult director. But I enjoyed because this subject is very unique. And I want to tell you, this is not only a prestigious picture for Subhash Karan producer or Shankar or the unit. It is a prestigious picture, the whole Indian cinema.
Wow.
And I'm telling you, despite of our technical excellence and the financial, strength, we could not reach the Hollywood standard yet. But I'm telling confidently, openly, this picture will reach that Hollywood level. Every Indian, our Indian film fraternity will be proud of. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Rajni sir, your superstardom spans decades. Do you, from Indian film industry like Bollywood, who do you think will enjoy the superstardom that you have down in India, like everywhere in India, other than Akshay Kumar? Because I know you will take Akshay Kumar's name.
I couldn't understand. What is saying?
Who else enjoys your level of stardom in Hindi
Who
cinema?
will enjoy?
Apart, who will enjoy?
At your age, maybe. At your age, who do you think will still enjoy?
At your age, who will enjoy? And he says, not Akshay Kumar, because he knows that you will say Akshay Kumar because he's sitting next to you. They said, I didn't
No
say.
comments, thank you.
One more question, sir. Salman sir just said, narrated an incident about you and him. You shared screen space with Shah Rukh sir in a small sequence in Ravan. You're doing an entire film with Akshay sir. When can we see you and Salman sir together? Or do you plan to do one film?
Salman.
I would, even tomorrow, if Salman says yes, I am ready.
Lovely.
It will be
We're going
prestigious.
to take one last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Shankar sir, you're straight.
Very far from straight, but anyway. I mean, the direction.
So there is a lot of excitement about the second installment of Robot. But people always plan the franchise. They always think of taking the franchise ahead. Do you plan to come up with a third installment of Robot?
Yeah, of course, because it's a very interesting science fiction genre. Definitely, I believe something will come up in my mind for the 3.0 and 4.0 and 5.0.
And it goes on and on. Thank you so much. Thank you. And those are all the questions we will take now, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank these wonderful gentlemen for their time, their energy, and more than anything else, their abundant talent that we're going to experience on Diwali with 2.0. This has truly been a spectacular evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for joining us on this platform. And I would now, and while we bid these wonderful gentlemen goodbye, I'd like to invite on stage finally Mr. Raju Mahalingam for our vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone for being here and the legends out here. And I'm proud that Laika had got this opportunity to do this magnum opus. I thank Shankar sir, Rajni sir, and Akshay ji, and the Oscar award winner Rahman sir. And thanks Subhash for coming all the way from London for this function. Thanks once again. Thanks a lot.
And I also want to thank you, Salman Khan, for coming all the way from Bandra and making this occasion so big. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here tonight. Thank you so much.
Exit from back. Exit from back. Artist. Just get somebody from back to come forward and take them
Ladies and gentlemen,